Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'll have to admit I don't really know what I'm doing here. But somebody wanted to print this out on vinyl, I think, and print it and have it a part where the customer could easily peel it off the vinyl. So here's what I'm thinking. Take your item, go up and make your boundary tool, and then nudge that boundary over. Then, depending whether you want it right on the line or offset, I don't know if the vinyl is clear, but then you could go to effects and contour to the outside. Let's just go 0.1 to the outside with rounded corners and hit apply. Go up to object and break contour apart, and then take that contour and let's just look at it. That's pretty far off, but you can make that a lot of different things. And then if I understand them correctly, they want like a tab that you could put on it. So what you can do is take your virtual segment delete key and delete this part, but don't delete anything else yet. Then take this and Control D and make a duplicate. Then you can go and delete this line. And I would, as always, take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, nudge it down, left click, right click, make sure it's a hairline. It's in CMYK, I'm not going to worry about that. I don't know, I've never figured out if it, when I get a file from somebody. And then, see, there's the old one, and that's why I use Smart Fill it. So the new one has that little tab. And then on our duplicate one, we're going to delete this line and this line, and now we have this line. So you can select that line. It is a hairline. We'll go ahead and make it in, I'm going to go ahead and make it an RGB red, just for grins. Hit OK, and then go right here to the style. And you would have to test this out on some vinyl to which one you think is going to do the best for your, so it can break off. And then just nudge that back. So now if we look at it, they could lift this off, and then that should peel off or tear off. And this is what I'm going to say. You're going to have to do some testing. I would make some squares with some dotted lines, and you might want longer lines or less. This might work pretty good. This might not tear here, but you could always take that line and go up and convert it to an object. Then go to object and break curve apart, and you could play with these lines. If you got one that's pretty close, you could take this line right here and systematically move it up here or move it away from here, whatever your preference. So that will be that would probably be the best thing. So then you would get a good clean tear. Same thing on this end. You could probably just delete this one. I just selected all the nodes, and then select this one and just select both those, and then just kind of move it down, but don't get it near that part. And then select all this, and nudge it over back to your artwork. I'm hoping I'm understanding the person and that's what they want to do. This way the person could take a little blade and pick that off and not hurt the other vinyl, and they would actually help them maybe attach it to whatever they're attaching, and squeegee pressure it down, and then put your thumbnail right there and just kind of peel this away. And for the person I'm doing that for, if I didn't understand, email me back. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.